First of all, hi, and welcome to UX UI Design Essentials. I'm thrilled to be with you on this journey, and it's my absolute pleasure to be introducing one of my passions to you today, user experience and user interface design. In this short Essentials course, you'll learn the basics of UI UX design, what everything means, how it fits together, and what the overall design process for a digital product looks like. This course will be taught in very much my own style of quality over quantity, as I highly value your time and want you to get the most out of this course. Just as a quick introduction, I'm Anthony Conboy, and I've been in the business for over a decade. Having worked in many world-class organizations and running UX UI teams, I've seen a lot of changes and sat on both sides of the interview table many times. My mission is to help you build a solid foundation of knowledge and give you more confidence when making design decisions. Hopefully, this course will help you improve your business, kickstart your career, or just give you an introduction to the subject. So let's get started. User experience design is often referred to in the digital industry as UX for short. Why not UE? I don't know. Maybe the X just sounded cooler. At the moment, there seems to be a lot of confusion as to the difference between UX and UI. Surprisingly, many companies who hire designers don't even know the difference. This is why I wanted to tackle this often confusing subject first. User experience, UX, in my opinion, is best to be thought of as the beginning of the design cycle. It's where your mission is to understand in detail what problem you're trying to solve for your users. Every business, at its core, solves a problem, and your customers or users come to you because you offer the best solution. To understand this problem, there are various techniques a UX designer can use. This is all part of the research phase in the user-centered design process. Don't worry if you haven't heard about this yet, as I will explain in detail this method during this course in its own video. All you need to know for now is that it's a 4-stage cycle that centers around solving actual problems for users and putting their needs first. Once this initial research phase is complete, the UX designer now has a deeper understanding of the problem that his users are trying to solve. No design work has happened so far, just research techniques such as surveys, customer personas, and many others. I'm just going to quickly mention here that increasingly there are more and more UX researcher roles coming onto the market. So if you really enjoy this part of the process, you can dig a little deeper. We'll talk about getting into the industry in a later video, so you might want to check that out. This all then leads into a conception phase, where the UX designer will use this new knowledge to propose solutions to the problem. This could be illustrated as a sketch, a storyboard like they use in the movies, or some simple screen designs. The fidelity, which is an industry term for the level of detail, doesn't really matter at this phase. It's all about generating and validating lots of ideas.